say do you wanna go watch? Oh! Oh! Pugi ko naman, men! Naku, alam ko na. Paano pag umamin siya na crush niya si basketball? Magandang gabi, umaga. Kumusta yung mga cancer? Ako nga pala si PaoLUL. Dadaan daw natin nakakaiyak na gawang Filipino na game na until then. Pero kung bakit gano'n, bakit wala ni isang Filipino sa languages nyo? Ako ay nalungkot. Pero bagay daw ngayon tag-ulan kaya atin na agad simulan. Pag ako dinaiyak dito, sabihin nun, wala na akong puso. She was missing that night. We look everywhere. Search everywhere. Oh, shouted her name everywhere. Yet not a single trace of her, not even a trail. Not even a shadow. Not even a ghost. Ah, po, may pa-movement. Haiku! It's been a long time since it rained like this. Oh, I love the touch of raindrops sliding down my face. I never knew what you meant by that. But I'm content the night sky was showering rain from her. The heavy rain tells me you are there. But at the same time, you are nowhere! Oh my god, that's so deep! A million cries and hours have passed. I finally surrendered at last. Oh, po, the bars! I ran as far as I could, like she told me I should. Oh, until eventually, until then, I found myself missing you. Okay, within me, I look everywhere. Hinanap ko kung saan-saan at sumigaw ang aking pangalan sa kung saan-saan. Pero ni isang trace ng aking sarili. Naramdaman ko na ang mundo ay parang nagtapos na ng zombie apocalypse. Pero may parte sa akin na gusto pa rin maniwala na ang mundo ay hindi pa nagtatapos. The world is healing, ika nga. Ganda. So maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. Ito nagtatapos. Ate ko worth 500 ng laron to. Matagal daw to long form. So kung gusto nyo ituloy-tuloy natin to, like nyo na agad. Until then. Ay, may alibata. Oh! Ano to? Reaching Sarah 2. Giant Craft. Oh my god, yung libag ng pinto. I can relate. 5 years old, ang liit mo naman. Hanggang dito ka lang, boy. 12 years old yan. Tatangkad na yan. Pag 12 years old ka na, tatangkad ka na sigurado. Kasi matututo ka na mag-jackin po eh. Oh, wait! Taho ba yun? What? Oh my God! Ang ganda naman. Ito yung gusto kong Pinoy-Made eh. May Pinoy reference. Parang medyo hindi ko ramdam pag Pinoy-Made tapos puro ibang bansa yung nakikita ko. Mas ano ko to, mas may immerse ako sa ganito. Let's go. Oh my God! Ay! Gumising ka na! Malit ka na! Ang ganda, maganda. Ano ko tagigising? Papindutin ko ba yung puwet mo? May buo sa labas. Bumili ka ng taho o ano. Ang tawag doon. Bumili ka nun. Ano mo di ka alam? Di ka gigising? Walang 5 minutes? Walang 5 minutes? Ay, ito yung ay, nako. Maganda ako. Magdadrama ka muna. Oh. Meron pa nagwawali sa labas? Pangalan ko. Oh, ano? Ititigan mo pa. Namiss ko na yung pamilya kong pixelated eh. Okay. I-jump. What's the point of tidying up? Kasi ang turo sa ano niyan, pag inayos mo to, ito yung unang-una mong task sa umaga. So pag naayos mo yan, ibig sabihin nun, maganda siyang precursor sa mga gagawin mo pa sa araw na yun. Did homework, go for a minute, then got distracted conquering digital monsters. I tried. Ano to, Scott? Ay po, yan din ako pag-gising sa umaga bago almusal eh. Magpapiano muna ako eh. Sobrang main character naman ito. Okay. Ikaw na bida. Well, I guess we'll stick with Twinkle Twinkle. Twinkle Twinkle. Oh, Erica! Dear Mark. Mark Borja. Thank you for interest in joining Virtuoso. Ano ako, nag-music. Yours was not selected. Ano ba yan? Pala kay Erica, we would like to remind we can only select a few members. So, pasok, we open our doors to worthy pianist. Di mo na gusto aking fingering skills. Ano to? Si Jeff Zaki. Bakit gusto ko niyan? Nook face. Nuknukaan mo yung mukha mo. Ano pa? Christmas Homecoming. Sino to? PaoLUL. Tatay ko! Naku, malakpogi yan, PaoLUL. Hey son, sorry to keep you waiting but still no update on our homecoming. The situation here is on its last day. One of our electricians was shocked to death in an accident. We might be required to work. So isipin, hindi siya makaka-uwi. So may OFW na tatay. Love you. Uy, faster meet. Okay, so nagpadala na lang siya ng Australian ba yan? AED? Australian dollar. Don't forget to pay the bills. Have Mrs. Ira clean the house too. This is your second for the love of God. Don't spend on pointless video games. At wala akong nanay. Okay. Tayo, gusto ko yung use of shadows. Ito yun ako nakapasok sa... botones pa. Gameplay! Yes! Ano next? Yan ang gusto kong gameplay. Easy. Let's go. Gee! Naku, kailangan ko pa ulitin lahat. Hayop ka. Naalala ko yung reference yung Haruki Murakami dito eh. May siya sinabing line dun eh. Regarding sa pag nagsisimula ka na naman from the top of the bottom papunta sa baba. At kung nakakayak talaga to. Same point. Amoy ihi pa lang, naamoy ko na. Takot na ako eh. Takot na nakita ko na ibang Pilipino eh. Schools one station, I know. Okay, usog daw. Lahat naman kasya niya. Oy, babae. Di ba alam, alpha ako? Halika rito. Wala bang run? Ate! Wait lang, ano to? Oy. JB! Ay, si JB! Po siya, naging tagala si JB! Oy, kamukha si JB! Ay, Oy, short siya girlfriend. Ay, ikaw na lang po siya. Morena, short siya kamusta ka naman? Ano? Taga rito ka ba? So ba, tulungan na kita nga. So ba, ako na magbayad ng pansakay mo sa jeep. Ako na bahala. Papatagal lang ako dito, leche. Nakaslouch, nako po. Ayaw na yababian. Hello! Pwede ba pakainin kita? Ano ba yung wala? Debs! Sip. Bakit walang action na pwede ako gawin dito? Hindi ko naman pwede hawakan yung ulo niya. Hey, Mark. Uy, Luis! Ay! How's the slide deck? Nako po, meron akong... Kumusta ka na, babe? Meron pala akong homework. Don't tell me forget about the book report. Nako, hindi ako to. Oof. Oh, shit. Hindi, kinain ng aso. No worries. Sige, ano gagawin ko? Finish it yesterday. Sige, paano mo gagawin, boy? Nagsinungaling ka pa. Wag wala ako i-gaslight. Nga. Ito di ako naman. Main teams and points out. Autotype. Mag-alala, matalino ka eh. Ako kaming bahala sa likod mo. Taulan aso. Well, that's good to hear. It's just a relief that we have slight now, unlike last time. You can count on me. May difference ba yun? You can trust me, no? See you later then. Sasabihin ko na ba agad? Gusto ko cool ako. Baka balay mo naman, papunta sa klase, magawa natin paraan, di ba? Baka may mahiraman ako. Naku, paano ko yan pa yung ating above? Yari tayo dyan. Oo nga eh. Pucha, Friday pa. Wala, bobo ka na. Sabi may lolang ganito pa kaganda. Oy! Gusto ko niyan! Mabili! Hey kiddo. First died in colored chicks. Want some? Sige, magkano? Nice. The bars. Color me uninterested. Pabili! Isang makausap. Uno ba yung kakausapin ko? Thirsty need a smoke? Ano ba talaga? Pumili ka isa? Okay. No thanks. Meron na ako sa air pollution. Suit yourself. Ang ganda ito. May Tagalog to na na subs. Pizza good eats. Mag-LRT pala tayo. Let's go. Siomai. Bonifacio. Okay. Ang layo pala natin. Ano, horror ba to? Mukhang horror. Hello? Okay. Laguna Lines. Travel to sa Laguna. Nakatuwa naman na nagawa to ng Pinoy. Mga Pinoy mo, Pinoy. Studio. Jollibee. Ang pinaka-realistic ito, mga basura. Buti din nila tinatanggal. Kasi alam nila yan ang katotohanan dito. Kaya magpapaniwala sa mga, mga entrepreneur video. Putang gulat ako, hayop kang... Lahat na isang ka-service mode. Nice. Ano to? Puto sira-sira na, leche. Hindi ko na-miss eh. Saan ba ako pupunta? Saan ba ako pupunta? Paano ko malalaman saan ako? Oh shit, baka lumagpas ako. Arellano, Belica, Diwa. Siguro sa dulo ako. Mahal yan eh. Baka pare-pareha lang. Ito mas mura. Hindi ko nakita nung school ako. Doon tayo sa dulo na lang siguro. No time for wanderlust. Bakit ka sabi ng wanderlust? May pera ka lang. Okay? I must have barely swept. Ano ba ako? Maybe sometime else. Baka Liamson lang ako? Liamson lang. Kailangan ko ng isang 10 pesos tsaka isang 5 pesos. Easy. Okay. Tabi. The depth in this game. No spitting. Haktu eh! Haktua! Ito na po. Slide deck in minutes. Ano na naman? Luis? Ikaw ba? Gusto mo ba akong tulungan? Bayaran kita. Gusto mo? Sayaw ako dito. Bigyan mo akong pera. Kinakabahan ako. Luis! Sorry. Wala bang shift day? Lang ron. Ganda. Nakakatawa naman. Kung nila yung vibe ng LRT. Walang halong parte. Etong ganito. Yan. Tapos dito ka tatayo. Sa gilid lang. Oh no. Alam ni Ryan. Galing mo talaga, idol. Kilala mo talaga ako. Bingo. Di naman, meron nakalimutan lang. Cool ako eh. Priorities? Sa dying craft. But like what? Di ko nakita. Di mo pala tinapos, hayop ka. Don't ever compare me to your Kyle. Come to the dark side. Lagi na rito. Luis na pa in front of the class. Nako po, ayoko masagawan. Luis, you will silence the entire class. Then you're gonna start calling you like the new Kyle. God didn't have to bring that up. Ginawa ko. See hunting to be Kyled A. And that just happened to him. It was off you. Hindi ko naman sinasadya eh. Baka gusto ko lang, baka nagpapaano lang ako sa'yo, papakyut. Sabi ko di. Ako, marami tayong kalaban kay Luis. Ako, presidente pa. Yan ang aking You just say that, wait, does she know? Yan ang weakness ko, boy. Nag-glitch yung paa niya, no. Pare-pareho pala kami gusto kanya. Tayo na, ano ba to? Ano ba kami? Love triangle? Oh shit, you're gonna retake it this year na. Ano pa bang oras? You think you get enough time? I don't man, but considering the stakes, we just gotta try our best. Okay, good luck. Okay, if we get to school on time. Meron tayo siguro mga 30 minutes siguro yan. Okay, 10 minutes. Hard mode to, men. 30 minutes doable pa eh. Pwede mo pagawin araw-araw 30 minutes. Pero 10 minutes, medyo mahirap yan. Think of this one typical Friday. Let's go! Kaya ba yan? G! Pupusin natin to. Kung bibilisan ng lecheng trend. Pero imposible on time. Okay, ito pala. Angry me. Alright. Green life. Manula, you can do this. Ganda ng placements. Lagi may nakatalong kong ganun. Ako yan eh. Pucha. Nag-scroll ako eh, purging. Ito na naman, pinapag-scroll mo na naman ako. Like natin yan, boy. Comment. Love you, miss you, love you. Wow, effort Got my new baby. Lagi may isang ganyan bolding. Like, workers that took up disastrous. Dino, like. Naku, ito ata isang above. Si Jessica, like din natin yan. Pwede ka mag-like ng mga okay, we'll miss you. Bigyan natin yan ng hold na. Pag ito pwede i-hold, believe na ako. Hindi, sayang. Like lang din. Ito yung awkward eh. Pag may hirong namatay, ilan like mo ba? Di ba dapat heart? Ang pakit pag like eh. Like na lang natin lahat. After months of planning and writing, but the first things first. Congrats. Like ko na pala. Annual audition. Hayop ka. Pwede mo mag-comment dito ng hayop ka. How many slots? Please. Please! Mas pwede mag-comment sa lahat. Hindi. Doon lang. Cool, bro. May effort sila dun Okay, baka tayo. Okay na scrolling yan. Why am I not studying for the report again? Paparating na. Ano na naman? Kasi nilike ko. Ay, hindi. Ay, joke lang. Kala ko nalaman niya sa notif eh. Ay na, tiloso pa ka. Forward, okay. Okay. Sana pwede Tagalog na nakakatawa siguro to sobra. Ano merong DLC? Ba't baliktad? Okay. Forward. Ito yung forward ko eh. Ba't yung forward ko na A na pupunta ako sa kabila? Jump scare? Nasaan yung tropa ko? Tropa? Ikaw okay. Kala ko yung yellow. Sino ba mukhang ano dito? Side character ko. Umulit siya. Nakita ko na to kanina. Dilaw. Dalawang dilaw. Oh no. Lugi tayo dyan. Pogi, matipuno. Didn't even review it. Really back it up. Dude, you were browsing your feed. You just like my post. Abig sa'yo work yun eh. Malalaman nila eh. Ano ginawa mo ha? What did you do in here? And now you're threatening me? These hands are built for speed. If this wasn't our last report, I could really teach you a lesson. Oh, this coming from a fellow crammer. Look, we don't have much time. Tulungan with our 2 brain cells. We both our brains and we have 2 brain cells. Much appreciated. Would you let us flop? Sige oh. Appreciated. Crime and punishment. Fyodor Diotemsky. Comrade. Great, so there's this guy Rodi Raskololov. Then he has a sister named Dunya. Okay. And that's it. Thanks, Creep. I think I got it. I was all over the place, wasn't I? Yeah, very, but I got this down to the thematic level. Pucha leb. Lalim mo naman, dude. If only you actually made more use of your brain like that. Yeah. Hey, I'm no nerd. Tama, di kami nerd. Not that, but I see someday you'll be more. Nah, you'll get it someday. Get what, Mr. Drama King? Spit it out. Never mind. Ano yun? Cash mo ba ako? So, same old that, right? Yeah, I do the slides and you fill me in quick. Why do you have to do the slides in the first place anyway? Louis said I'm busier cause BB. Yan! BB! As in BB mo? BB ko? Hayop ka! And we think you have a knack for designing slick slides. Naku, baka pag kayo naglalandian habang ako gumagawa ng slides. I literally just scrap templates online. Ay, ang sakit nito. Pag ito, lab triangle, man. Shit, okay, forget about that. Close ko pa yung best friend ko. Like, you just gotta search. Modern slide templates 2014 free download. Pwede yun sa phone, diba? And no virus. Yeah. Diba pareho lang yun? You want to keep your private files safe. Nako, matatago mo dyan ha? I just wish we make it out alive. But what if she kills us? Boy, if Mrs. Underscoring me didn't leave a mark, I'd be damn finished if it were Luis. Yep, so we gotta do this. Eh, abab mo talaga ang pinakamasakit sa lahat. Like, dude, don't we have a backup plan? This is the backup plan. Right, what a genius.
Alright, at the Amson Station. Paparating na sa the Amson Station.
Yes! The Pinoy Isa pa yung Pinoy reference? Get ready. Ready when you are. Okay, G. Ganyan din kami dati sa thesis eh. Halos winning lang namin yung presentation. Dapat confident ka lang pag magpe-presenta ka. Kahit medyo di mo alam. Oh, hype music! Let's go! Ang ganda ng ano. Boot this sucker up. It can smell fishy, so stay still. Or it'll lag like hell. So, ano yung mga dinownload niyan? Po siya, live wallpaper. Tanggalin nyo na yun, yung mga word. Book info. Let's start with the basics. Title and author. Private Passion by Fyodor Diotet. Yung spelling, Sky. Parang nakita ko na tong art style na to eh. Parang naging meme na nakita ko to dumaan sa feed ko eh. Russian meme, syempre. Mas importante yan. Kung gusto ka nila yan, ano ba? Tama, intro dapat. Makinig ka sa akin, boy. Type mo lang. Next. Character. Importante yung character sa book report. Search. Google lang, boy. Sabi nga sa amin, GMG. Google mo, gago. Ikaw puro tanong. Naku, kung pansin si Luis. Walang above ngayon. Oh shit. Tapusin mo na natin. Okay lang yan. Focus. Kaya yan, huwag kang kabahan. Character analysis. Ayun, ano I love her? Hayop ka. Akin siya. Shit. Setting and codes. Kailangan mo yung mismo pinanggalingan. Russia. Yeah, may AI. Chat GPT mo. Too easy for this place. Mo, parang mawawasak na. Naku po. Huwag mo pansinin. Relax. Di na lang. Talaga may iika dyan eh. Slide 16 na. How dare you call that weird? If it's helping you and just you, well, Last one. Hinga. Di na lang. What? Umutang ka ba? Story analysis. Toxic Totabi, let's go. Easy. Anything yan. Ako, baka gusto ni Luis itong mga daliri yan. Layari tayo dyan. Our own take. Yan, may gusto na ano yan ng teacher. Yung sarili mong intindi. Kaya ba yan? Ladies and gentlemen, the maging true definition, gamit na gamit yan eh. So okay yan. This act may be an act of violence, but boy has it used if Luis finds out. I'm going to get my act together now. Sure, Mark. Go, 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 go. So sa likod lang pala nung mga libro, no? Wow. Dito lang siya. Wow. You never cease to amaze me with that hand-eye coordination. Kaya nga siya basketballero. I can't believe we did it again. I'm really sorry for being a terrible groupmate, man, but I love you. You did it. Don't apologize. This is thankfully the last time I'm boosting you up. But seriously, for the end time, I can't believe we did it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Pag ganito ang groupmate mo, bibigay ko lahat ng oras ko. Did what? Wala naman. Nag-usap namin, tropa time lang. Kapag mga ganyan ng haircut and hairdo, GG. GG kay Luis. Ibit na boss. Ito yung mas mahirap na boss fight. Ngiti ka naman dyan. Sige na. Nagawa naman namin. Yeah, the legendary... Wait lang. Boss? Minotaur. Mas mukhang Minotaur, diba? The legendary Minotaur. Yep, that Minotaur demon evil force. Niniwala yan. Oh, really? Yeah. Kick its big butt. May I see? Oh, no. What he meant was, no. Boss is gone, big dead. Big dead. What the heck? I can't believe you guys. You're at it again. Bakit? Wala naman dapat ko akuhin. Dapat akuhin natin. It's all my fault. What? Huh? That's Dark Fiends 3, right? I played that too. Yes! Talagpas tayo and I got even with the nerf expert. Nako, wala na. And you've already beaten that. Mga ganyang babae, dapat pinapakasalan na yan. Yes, we apparently did. Yeah. If you can't see it. I know, that's still insane. Nothing beats the original though, Dark Fiends 1. Dark Souls may pinag-usapan nila. Yeah, I definitely agree. But in all seriousness, sir, just our investigators to get set up. That game can wait. So get going. Ayan na, heal. Kung yan, chinita pa kanina, wala na, uwi na. At ako rin, napagod ako dun. Masyadong close tong pangyayari to sa tunay kong buhay. Naglalaro akong Dota na lalaki. I was so ready to turn myself in. Yeah. Kiss muna tayo. Preach. So she plays. No idea she know about our progress. No idea she must be lurking our stats. Wait, so cold. Coach. Yeah, tutorial miracle. That came out of nowhere though. Come on, Dark Fiends. Take one more box for you. Like I didn't take yours. Whatever. Just hirap niyan. Best friend mo pa yung kalaban mo sa above, man. Wag na. Above all else. He loves cozy boxes. Then there was this one. Ano ba ito? Kinukwento ba niya yung buhay ng anak niya? I can hear you, Ryan. I can hear you memorize every word of your report under your breath. Sorry na. She plays DF. No way. I hate her. She shouldn't have said that. Well, good luck. She's out of my league anyways. Aww. Huwag ka I remember last year's Valentine's, we were classmates back. Di ba mga ano yan? Mga bayani? Those 3 public senior boys, we were waiting for someone. There were flowers, chocolate, and whatnot. Then this Louis girl came out. The 3 musketeers greeted her in sync. But she just walked right past as if they didn't exist. She must be stuck up. But hey, she plays DF. Okay. Yeah, that's the same face we saw that day. Cute. What are you looking at? Yee! Ganda ng weather. Ikaw ang aking umaga at gabi. Ooh, the weather sure looks nice today. Itulungan kita ng Riz para makuha mo si Luis. Riz kay Luis. Yes, I'm rather glad the raining has stopped. What? What's the matter? It hasn't rained the past month. Oh? You're kidding. No, really. Baka umiyak ba siya? Kita animation nakaka-relax. Seriously? My memory serves me right, yeah. It must be mixing up them again. What? Bakit? Paano posibleng mangyari yun? You okay? May ka lang ba eh? Yes, I'm fine. No big deal. Doubt. Press X for doubt. That's weird. I still remember no rain. Well, at least I got away with that. Man, I was just reminiscing. Guess I'll just listen to Sir. Fluffs of foam were all over the place. So my wife and I had to buy a new sofa. And nagkakwento ng buhay nila. Surprise, surprise! But then, why did I even try? Sure, it was touching at first, but it gets hella boring after 10 consecutive retellings. Let's see what the class has to say. Uy! Uy! Even natin is brought down to her knees. Wala na. Pag yung pinakamatay sa inyo, umayaw na, wala na. There we go. Yon sa tayo for every corner. No one can challenge Junjun's nocturnal sleeping cycle. Of course, he's the principal sa... mahirap yan. Bakupal yan, it's just sad. I miss my dear Chuchu so much. Wishing he's purring well up there. Pusa lang pala niya. 9 perla. Anyhow, I hope you got a thing or two from my story. Wala po. Pero okay lang, let's begin. Next book na po it's from Luis and company. You may set up and begin. Ano to? Gameplay USB 8GB. Ano ba yan? Ano ba? Ilang beses ba? Nakakainis yun. Bad trip. Totoo nga naman yun. Minsan ginagago ka na lang eh. So itong foreground background style na to. Here goes nothing. Wait. Group 6 report 4. Shit, the slides what if we missed something? Okay, wala ka. Huwag ka na mag-overthink malala. Bili na kayo. What if you did something wrong? Nandiyan ka na eh. Di niya, okay lang yun. Kung mahal ka niya, kahit mali ka, mamahalin ka niya. Mark? Oh, and yeah, my turn, sorry. Okay. Tanggalin mo kasi yung kamay mo sa bayag mo at magsalita ka na. Huwag mong higpitan yung itlog mo. Hi, Mark. I'm glass. Oh! Oh! Yun na lang! Wag na! Wag na! Wag ka na, Luis! Sige na! Bahala ka na sa buhay mo! Bakit may short hair doon? Ahem. 2% or a book report on Crime and Punishment by Fyodor Dostoevsky. Crime and Punishment is arguably one of the best works of Russian literature, exploring the themes of human psychology, morality, crime, murder, consequences, repentance, and more. The story starts on an exceptionally hot day at St. Petersburg. And when I say exceptionally hot, I mean yung kaklasiko sa harap. The author means to thematically link this setting to crime. More on that later on. Oh, let's go! Nailib siya. The Riz. Huwag na si Luis. She chooses to marry Luzin. Raskolnikov, in turn, is enraged by this. Hey dude, don't even say a word. I know I messed up. No, not that. Though that was undeniably nice. Shut up. What I mean is, that was honestly well done. Which I unexpected. Baba na tingin mo, are you nuts? I just picked it up today. Baka marinig tayo! How was that well done? Come on, didn't you see their faces? I didn't want to. Oh, yeah, baka nga kabahan ka. I get it. You didn't want to be killed. I was hanging by a thread, man. Well, we're safe now. No way! I felt pressure just from Luis. No, gusto ko ng pressure from Luis. Ay, wag na pala si Luis. Gusto ko yung nasa harap. It's like we could destroy her immaculate grades. That's why messing up 1B. Sorry. Despite with my little lie, that's not happening. What do you mean? Look at Sir. He even looked up from his candy crushing game. Nakikinig ba siya? Whoa. Why is he actually listening? Galing taga si Luis. It's usually a rare occurrence. Yan, po siya. Ano yan eh? Green flag, look at him. Di ba siya tulog? She's just doing... Everyone listens when she talks. I think everyone... Well, you've got me there. Ooh! Bro. Nice one. Excuse me for a minute, Miss Orduña. Naku, makarinig ba tayo? Perhaps you wanna share the conversation with the class. Sabi lang naman namin na cash namin si Luis. If you can let us know, then we'd appreciate your silence. Since Miss Orduña is doing all the talking here. Oops, sorry na. Sorry about that, Miss Orduña. Please continue. Cash ka ba sa kanya? She's a teacher here for a reason. Shh! Maingay! Ako to tsaka si Jid eh. Kaya kami napalabas nung dati. Survey the area. No sign of Luis ready to kill me. He's probably in some club meeting. Come on, I just need my lunch break. Kinakabahan ako! Wag! Oh my god! Oh, hello. Basta ka. Kausapin mo! Man, it never ends on a good note with this girl. She's the only classmate left I haven't had a chat with. Ano siya? Sariling buhay. Yep, lagi naman may ganyan. Pull it off. Oh. Akala ko may gameplay. Paano siya? Hey there, Jessica. Jessica, what's up? Jessica? Nako, ano siya? Sabaw. Masaya yan. Okay. Cool. I just wanna say, nakita mo yung ulap na yun? Mukhang itlog. That 3 art thing you posted. Ay, nakita nga pa. Lahat ba na nilike natin? Good job. Oh. You even hit like on it. Ah, sabi ko sa'yo, big deal yun eh. That isn't meant to be complimented. What? Well then, have a nice day. Buti na lang. Baka makatulong siya sa future. There was an attempt. Okay lang, we tried. Uy, basura. Ako to ah. Is this another pretend May? Dear May, I hate you, May. Ano to? My queen, Elsa pencil, or we are no longer friends. Hindi ko naiintindihan. Bahala ka dyan. Jen, I have to say that literally was retained very well. Hindi nagkaintindihan dun, Lods. Ano to? He sold like hotcakes on his first week. I was just collecting dust. Ano ba yan? Ano yun? Ho-ho! Hey, Mark. Ano to? Requiem? Jojo Bizarre. Oh! Hey! Basta pag napapatawa mo yung girl, sure yan! And today I'm dumb. Oh, hey, tayo ng pangalan yung Jaggy. Oh, please love me. Hey, shut your foul mouth. You're lucky the seniors aren't here. Or you'd be dead meat. As if only the seniors know him. Hey, how do you remember that line? That was ages ago. And FYI, I didn't say please love me. And I didn't say today I'm dumb. Oh, naku, bad! You're though. Naku po, may mga babae marunong sumaba. You wish you had the guts to say please love me though. Shut up. Only Louis may want through. Oh, bading! No, hindi kami talo and no one can stop me. Liar. Bading ba siya? Is she gay? You know you killed it back there. I murdered the report. Pasadbay mo na tayo para maawa sa atin. I fucked up. You don't have to tell me, Kath. No, you killed it, not murdered. But buying it. Really? That's like the third time you're smart ass for me. Oh, gusto mo? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba yung mga ganun? Mayor Ryan later told me a convoluted summer in minutes. Damn it, Mark, I knew it. There's an inner genius sleeping right there in your noggin. And I'm afraid it'll never wake up. You know, for some, mostly living alone. But wala, you're actually something. Oh, ang gusto mo sabihin ko to? I'm waiting for the punchline. No, Mark, can't you see? You're holding something back. You could be maximizing all those brains. 200% of my brain instead of slacking off all day. I wouldn't call leveling up slacking off. You silly. Where the heck is Riddle? Sino si Riddle? Ano ba itong mga pangalan to? Jaggy, Riddle. By the way, I don't like saying this, but Luis, you like her now? Baka nasasaktan ka, anong mukha yun na? Paala kayo si smirk nila. Oh yeah, welcome to the competition, baby. I wouldn't say I like her. So I like her a bit now. Is that what you mean, new challenger? Kind of, I guess. Well, you're actually talking about her. This is new. Because you wouldn't believe this. She plays Dark Fiends. Holy cow. Are you for reals? For reals. I didn't see that coming. I thought you could only choose between good grades or good scores. I'm flabbergasted. Oh boy, here we go again. I'm madly in love. Hey, yeah, whatever, Jaggy. Baka naman bay siya, Jaggy who? Sorry, I only know Luis. A top achiever, a chess master now. A hardcore gamer. Like, what more could you ask for? Jaggy boy's out of the question. Sure. Oh my god, out of the question? Ako to ah! Whoa, where'd you come from? I wonder who was the one chatting to me yesterday about that Jaggy boy being so freaking handsome. And so damn good at basketball. I believe she said J-boys got it all. Wala, ay babae ba to? Ay lalaki yan eh. Nice one, Riddle. Ay, si Riddle. I swear to God, once you discover your love interest, I'll endlessly hunt your exes with never-ending mockery. Mark my words. Oh, ako si Mark. You too, Mark. Mark my words, Mark. Block for the mananics in the love and the rest. You can fool your best friends, hipster boy. Guys, I meant when I say this, it's not on my list. Then how you explain that time you went mauling with Angel? Whoa, Angel? Whoa, ba't ka tabi, man? And how about time you were on a bed with Trixie? Pucha, lahat na. Well, naalala ko din yung college ako, boy. On a freaking bed. Ay, lover boy ka pala eh. And Alex, outside the bar late at night. What the? Ano ba yung photographers get all the... Yeah, kaya nga tuhographers sila eh. Tuhographers, watch out, Kat. You're jumping to conclusions. Oh yeah, then explain. And then picture ako sila. It was a shoot. Eh, alam mo na. Nice excuse, but not on my watch. I get the bar cost neon signs. But shit, what about a bed? Yep. That's all. Parang napanood ko ito sa isang hentai. Shots? What kind? Ang basa ko sa how much? Oh, for God's sake. And is that really all? You guys have grown up so fast. You're growing up faster. I mean, look who's directing a short film here. Nobody knows what it's about. In due time, my friends. the wait will be worth it. Just make sure I don't shudder in this state when I watch it. Gumawa rin ako ng film dati sa mga friends ko as long as we get to watch it together para sa isang subject. That's good with me. Ano siya, of course, ano pa nga, cam shot, CAM shot. Basta, if you want, I can even ask my tutor arrange a private screening just for you and J-Bar. Yee! Ano ba? Miss Luis. One of those new students might top Luis. Ha? Top? Ayoko siya i-top. How dare you speak so ill of our goddess? Wait, what? Who's stopping Luis? Dapat ako. What? Stopping Luis? You living under a rock, bro? Where's going around? You should have your plans for soon. Naku po. Ito ba? That's strange. Whoa! 9th graders. Do you know that's all we have right now? Ho ho! It's my time to shine. And I'll impress those new girls with my undeniable charm. Sure. Fake it till you make it. Gay it till you make it. You know what, J-Boy? Let's eat before break's over. I hate you too. So, sino ba tropa ko itong dalawa? Yung dalawang yun. O baka lahat kami tropa. Nakakabis yung mga ganong usapan. Oh boy, ano? IMCR. Ano to? A seniors prom. May prom. March 2050. Who's gonna dress as? That's what I'm going for Poseidon. Ay, kagi, meron nga kaming ganito! Ako yung parang may abs na yun. Nakalimutan ko kung sino ako dun eh. What, how much you gonna pay? O nga pala. Ay, gadgastos na naman. Ay, ito si Kathy. Kaya ba, Jaggy? Big kaching, baby. Bet deserve the same freaking cafeteria food. Betting it's for the principal's crusty makeup. Babae yung ano. Wait, it's happening on school grounds? Always has been. Hooray for school pride. You'll dance on the same floor where you do jumping. That a friend alumni told me. They paid $750 for an 800 last year. Mataas na inflation. Alumnus. Ooh, ay nanalo ko yun eh. Whatever. Bleh. Oy, si girl Dila pala to eh. That's bullshit. Can someone tell the principal about this bullshit? Whoop can do that. Whoop, why oh why? Cause he's still asleep, lol. Fuck yo. Ba't ka galit? Never gets old. Good old days. I wish we were... mag-aas sila yung sa kabila. Ikaw nga pala, kakaroon nga pala ng shuffle. Aww. If prom cause ayan last year, what you guys think now? Increments in 50, so how does 51 for one night sound? My BS alarms are going off. I tried to treat myself to a dinner buffet. Yeah, 800 nga yan. Whoa! Hey! Mamaya na kayo lahat! Siya muna! Iwan na kayo. Hey! Baka gusto mo? Gusto mo good night? Hey! Hey there. I want to say thanks for... Yeah! The slides were no way the best, but they were good. It was like your day to polish them. What are you... Gulat ako, halo ko. Truck ba yun? Thanks. It didn't take me a whole day though. Hey, tamang flex. Minutes, a week, an hour I guess. Pwede parang umaming ka lang na nag-cram ka. Ka na magpa-cute dyan. Alam ko na mangyayari dyan. Wait lang, kailangan malaking patingin ng profile. I just don't want to go. Wait lang, mamaya ka na. 1999, okay? Ano sabi niya? To be honest, of that when we had that, I was almost going to our... alam niya! Aww, I know. I'm really sorry about that. Yee! You presented clearly as well, perhaps even better than I did. We must very better study for this. I wouldn't let us down. Aww. Well, you bet after that class, of course, I wouldn't let us down. I've always seen as this lazy student. Bakit mo ko binibigyan ng therapy? I was lucky of the time I was about to say, but you just proved me. I know you already didn't keep it up. Walang winky face yung emoji niya. GG, wala tayo sa Raider niyan, boy. Wag na. Thanks, press. Say, do you wanna go watch? Oh! Pogi ko naman, man! If you didn't know, Sir Armando gave our group a perfect grade. Really? That's very nice of him. Yeah, so I thought maybe you guys would wanna come and watch. I was trying to, but it said that's practice. Naku, syempre, wag mong kakabayuhin yung Reyna. Yun ang kailangan malaman sa chess. Let's go! Naku, baka malagpasan natin to. Dito F3. Ay, kala ko sa chess. Men, gustong-gusto ka niya nito. Gustong-gusto ka na niyan. Ang bobo ka na lang pag hindi ko pa ito nakuha. Nakamiss maging batang ganito. Yun, ito lang iniisip mo. Bakit? And what have you can have me? Kahit isang oras lang, baby time. Tingnan na. of me time lang, oh. Shus! Pag ayaw may dahilan. Itong emoji na mapapalitan natin ng winky face, antayin mo lang. Oy! Oh, still not striking. Naku, alam ko na. Paano pag umamin siya na crush niya si basketball? Oh no. Igatito, no? Nakikita ko na overthink na naman. Bili na kayo sa description. Kaming balot. Ano to? Ano to? Pearl? Eh, nagkama ulit. Ah, ito na pala. Big hype. Ako, sprom pa. Wait lang, maya ka ng balot. Ako si Hari ng Sablay. Zuzu gets all the girls. And boys. Hey, you better shut your big fat mouth. Balot? Greek gods, lola, may supposed to have my nips out. No, Brian. Alam mo na pag yung picture niya yung pang student din. Alam mo na siya yung past president eh. Medusa reference. Ay pala si Kyle. Na-Kyle na siya. I guess I'm not going then. Can't be Thor, no one's stopping you, it's your money. Oh. Ano ka na magastos? Haha. Before overpriced front run. Ayan, yari ka kay Angel. Mga AI ba to? AI-made? Yung profile pic nila. Lagi tayo may artist na yung kayang profile pic yung drawing niya. Ako ayun, nahuli ka tuloy sa ibang GC. And he's offline again. Nice one. Idol ka, Kyle. Ayan, nice transfer students. Paano ko makakalaban yung mga transfer students? Wow! Paipasok na agad dyan sa classroom kung 2HS yan. Here she goes again. Nice. Yung aggressive na buy mong classmate, guys. Anyone wanna buy quality umbrellas? Lagi yung may ganyan. 30 off. Pero overpriced siya ng 30%. So, nakukuha mo lang yung normal na price. Prices Kyle. Oh! OMG! Ano yun? 2 girls. Ayun mo talaga. Leche! Every dude you got them yummy deets. Baka kausapin ko ba to? Oh! Di talaga eh. Alam ko na mangyayari dito eh. Chess game, pero chest game nung isa. Hindi. Pigati ba to? Kinakabahan ako. Ayoko na. I'm the smart choice. Ako nagpapanood ako chess game. Ano ba? Sila Hikaru. Sila Anishigiri. Oh shit, kasama si Ryan. Nako, boy best friend. Hindi. Hindi. Pigati. Yari boy. It's for the group. Getting perfect grades, okay? It isn't that big of a deal, is it? If you're someone like Luis, then it is. Got to wrong up. No, it must be that. She's into Mark. Ooh! Hindi. Asa ka pa. Kinikilig eh. Don't you freaking dare. Hey! Yari ka boy. Lagi ka may isang photo sa tropa mong pantitrip pa sa kanila eh, no? Lagi. Bye ka pala. Bet Cat is the one. Nanginginig ka na. Yes, out of anger. Grr. But sorry, don't take a brain-dead camera. The pretty jeans make a good cup. Ay! Bakit? Tuturuan niya ako. Bakit? Like yun na niya that way, so I disagree. Mr. Love Guru. Anu. Good luck, man. Don't be a klutz. Yeah, whatevs. Let's go. Next na. Alright, do you like camera boy and lover boy? Leche. J-boy! Ako magkete kami mag-chat to kaya J-boy. From J-boy to J-boy. Limited edition. Ito nagbebenta. Pwede ba ako bumili? Bilan natin siya. Wawa naman. So ito, para pinapakita yung importansya ng pagko-comment and like. President's office. Mike Aguilar. May pakalma ko kay Mike Cathy. Okay, supportahan natin yung tropa natin, I guess. Ano ba sinabi niya? Walang di pwede mag-comment. May workshop siya. Liamson time. Hey! Ay naman talaga, hayop ka. Ayun na, naglalaro ako ng game para mag-scroll. Hayop, pinipigilan. Oy! Alex Miranda, I can make the bad guys go for a weekend. Laging ganyan nga. Like natin nga para maingit si President. Naku, open-minded sa business. Like, virtuoso, like... Close na. Hindi na ako nakapasok. I'll take my second chance. Hindi ako marireply na ganyan, though. Meron kaya meron kaya siyang epekto dun sa mismong gameplay. Yung pagpili ko ano yung MMS, ila-like mo at ko-comment. Parang may decision game. Thanks, Luis. V20, keep on dreaming my ass. Ito nga pala, meron nga palang cover. Para di pasukin na magnanakaw. LMS. Oh, ito na yung chess competition. Let's go! Nasaan yung babe ko? Nasaan yung aking tunay na queen? There she goes racing through my brain. Good luck, Luis. Ay, ito ba si Luis? Oh my god. Oy, sino yan? Ito yung best friend niya? Naku po. Stylish, eccentric. Naku po. Hello? Hello? Are you Sophia? Excuse me. Hello? Kaya ka ba? Parang si cheerleader. Well, I've been selling whitening soaps and pyramid schemes. No one gets rich by selling soaps in just a month. So no thanks. Well, anong pinagsasabi mo? Luis brought me here. Akala ko si Ryan yung kasama ko dito. Should never fall for scammers. Ano ba? Uy. Oh my, that look on your face. I can't. Sorry, that type of person. May kupal nga. Ako, pakit pa. Marky? Mark lang, without the Y. Just in time, Marky. No, actually, you're minutes late, but no problemo. Nice to meet ya. You too, Sophia. Tapos Sophie. Dingleberry. It's on the tip of my tongue. Dingleberry. Ruby? That'll do. So you're Louis' best friend. The best of the best. Like you did, you know, contrary to popular belief. Louis plays video games. You hear that right? Video games. Ideal girl. Wow. How shocking. Everyone knows that by now. What? No way, I thought the word's out there. Never mind, but here. Did you know she can do pretty much everything? Well, except for illegal stuff and 20, 21, 22, and the activities she detests. I have them listed here on my... Obsessive na best friend? Whatever's going on, don't find it healthy. I don't think I need to lay my eyes on that. Yep, sabi, buti alam mo. Alright, bye. Confidential bestie info, my bad. Also, do you know don't bring pom-poms to chess games, right? Hindi naman to basketball. Hey, why don't we take a look around? Sure, Dingleby. Dingleby. So ano, pipili ba ako nito na endgame? Oh, meron akong Pikachu. Tananen, para sa Pikachu, ito Pokemon to eh. Wait. They look familiar. Think I've seen their faces before. Mga champions ba to? I'm just looking at that guy sweat. Either it's scorching hot in here, or he already feels like losing. I don't know. Looks like he's losing. Oh no, I'm sorry. Sure it's hot in here, isn't it? It's not like you're losing or anything. Hey, cut it. Let's just move on. Keep our area clean. Yes, Luis. I believe in you. You can do this. You've always done this. Pretty please tone it down now. Oh, was I loud? Sorry, Luis. Kamaingay. Oy! Hello! Please kill me. See? She's fine. Not long till they kick us out. Hey, I'm starving though. How about you? Okay. Baka magpalibre ka pa ah. Good luck sa'yo, babe. Oh my goodness, what we have here. Yeah. Polly, the best pair from Manzanero. Sino dyan? Sa kaliwa, kanan. The one in here. Okay. She beat Luis 2 years ago. Can't believe she's back. What happened last year? Duno didn't show up. Must have gone soul searching. She must be winning this one. Oh boy, trust me when I say this. She and Luis are both dang good at this, but Luis ain't gonna let us down. You think Luis can take her down this time? Honestly, I doubt it. What? Are you doubting her best friend? No, I mean... It's dead obvious. Bestie ain't mystical enough for that. Huh? Di ba chest to? Gets. That's it. You must be very... Anong sense na? Let's head out. Naghanap Pikachu. Ako po. Nag-slide siya. Gumagalaw. Ito, kaya to. Ice cream. Arte mo. Ito to. Alat to. Oh my god. Fishball! Yeah! Pero ayoko ng ano. Oh, pucha, gameplay! Oh my god. Stick mo na. Stick. Ano to? Ano yan? Power? Akala ko laksa. Kulit ang gameplay. So kalaban ko, dapat ka ano, green. Okay. Kala ko yung power yun. Okay, easy. Ha! No! Ang hirap. Leche. Masusunog na yung fishball natin. Ang bobong, may salamin ka na nga. Ang cute ng ano, ang cute naman ng mga emotion, ano nila, yun, okay na, akin na to. Easy. Akin na to, boy. Ubusin ko to. Cute ng art nila. Naku po, sure yan. Medyo tanga lang yung pinipili mong pwesto eh. Ang style kasi dyan, igigilid mo, kukunin mo yung gilid. To. Ay, putang nag-double press! Hayop. Parang sa Pokemon yung sound to. Natakpan niya isa. Masusunog na yung mga betlog natin, hayop. May ambag ka ba dito? Ako lahat gagawa nito. Oh my god, medyo... Oh, nice. Easy. Ako na, sure na. Gets ko na. Kito nung get ang gameplay. Maganda kuha niya. Sa akin ang bilis. Parang tanga. Easy. Kahit sa'yo na yung tatlong yan, talo ka pa din. Di mo kuha yung... nakuha niya. Wala na. Sure na ako. Ako na mauna. Dapat hindi ako mag-miss dito. Kung iiyak ako. Ha! Ha! Easy! Alam ko, sino ba may manlilibre ba pag ganito? Oh my goodness. This is so good, sir. A balance of the finest spice and the perfect dazzle of saltiness. Meron din akong friend na ganyan eh. Dami sinasabi ako kayo. If only there's a way to make it taste even better. Aha! I have an idea, sir. Lagyan mo na ice cream. What if I should immerse it? Passionately. Oh, you are correct, madam. No! One dip only. Please! No! Pretty please, no! Pretty please! No! Ganun makulit. Musinara. Kulit mo eh. Dapat dinip mo na lang mas matagal. Para mas maglasa. What? Ba't ako? May kanya-kanya sila mga that's oddballs. Boys will do whatever in hopes of me setting them up with Luis. Wow, pogi. Ganda mo ha. Hindi ko na kailangan ako na bahala. Post-nobil. Easy pieces because... shit. Ang sakit naman pareho nito. I just like her as a friend. Oof. Is that line again? I wonder how many times I've heard that. But it can only mean one thing. You're in denial. Oof. Not at all. I'm just Mr. Friendly living his ordinary friendly life. What smells fishy is the fact that narinig ni Kuya lahat to. She casually invited someone else she isn't even close to yet. What? Ako po? Well, that's what friendly people do. This level of friendliness isn't typical of her. Something weird's going on. Maybe she likes you. How funny. A classmate was supposed to be here too. Plus you're here. I know. Just kidding. But she's just acting differently lately. She does seem more outgoing than usual. Yeah, she's making more time to socialize. Normally she'd just be studying. She's getting out of her shell. She studies a lot, huh? With sisters like hers, I'd be studying too. It's a miracle we ever became friends in the first place. Ako? Baka yung sasabihin niya para aalis siya? It's actually a good thing. Good what? I mean the getting out of her shell part. Alrighty. She's spending her time with others more often. It's a strange strike, but still I'm happy for her. Yet at the same time, I feel like it's gonna be the same. Well, ganun talaga. The only permanent things are change. You know, something. She's a teacher to Toadie. So I'm glad she's changing for the teacher Toadie, huh? You're a jolly girl. Yeah, if that's your impression. But with those pom-pom, I doubt it. Bakit tong wording? Come on, come again. I mean, yeah. Hooray for pom-poms. Yeah. Righty, whatever happens, I shall stay by my bestie's side. I gotta support her to thick and thin. That's a spirit. So pinakita lang dito na friends, very close sila sa isa't isa. Nice one, Luis! This was indeed a close one. Her new strategy swooped in out of nowhere. But thankfully I counted. Nanalo siya! That was nothing short of challenging, but I enjoyed that. Woo! Congrats, sis! Congratulations! Thanks, guys! Hold on. A change of strategy? So did she do something illegal? Hindi yung strategy. Bandurugas yun. So Luis, when's the next game? Iba na. Ito na yung nasa stadium na. Why? Wanna come again? Syempre! Always. I always come again. Why not? Alam ko naman sasaktan mo lang ako eh. If I have time to spare, why not? Great. I'll let you all know as soon as possible. Hey, why don't we celebrate tonight? Dinner's on me. Yeah, boy! Ano to, fishbowl with rice? To the pizzeria, not a problem. Mark, want to come with us? Oh, naman! I wouldn't be in the free food. Alright. What are we waiting for? Oh, magde-date kami! Aalis siya! Singleberry, I'm watching you. The heck did I do? Yeet! Sounds like I'm losing my best friend. Yeah, you weren't kidding when you said she's too friendly. Don't didn't take long, but hey, not a bad thing. I know. Ooh, solo kami! Solo kami! She's easy to get along with. She's too easy. A bit of a headache as well. In a funny way, though. Was that the shouting earlier? Exactly. Sorry about that. You must have felt so embarrassed. You don't have to rub it in. Don't worry, I've been here too. She's crazy, no doubt. Borderline fearless and cheerful. Kala ko karong borderline. Literally full of cheer, I must say. That must be why we're best friends. But I don't see it myself, I see in her. Oh, there she comes. At sobrang lalim bigla na. Keep our career clean. Ano to? Edits? Hindi. Mga edits eh. Hey friends, I'm really sorry. Please forgive. Alis na siya, no? What's the matter? Date kami! I can go with you guys. It's... Oh! Oh! Kung doon naman nun, may animation pala ganun. Calm down. Ano nangyari? It'll be okay, Fia. They'll go to stage. Oh, ay lola niya. I will. And she will. Thanks. So, ito yung mga ganito. Like, minsan may ganong scene. I'll make it up to you guys. Parang, hindi siya parang paulit-ulit na ganito eh. Merong ibang vibe. Bye-bye, see you here. Ibang ano, ibang art style yun, diba? Ibang animation style. I will kill you. Bye-bye, Marky. You lucky bastard. Oh yeah, I'm the luckiest bastard, boy. Girl. Goodbye. Ito talaga pang pom-pom, subnormal. What did you say? Monkey bastard. Yeah, monkey bastard. I'm a monkey bastard. Oh, you stop it. Ikaw naman, no? Should we sit there for a moment? Bakit sasabihin mo sa akin? Ayoko mga pinapaupo ako eh. Ass out mo na! No, I mean, yeah. Oh, she's off the hospital. Her gun was under intensive care. Something must have happened. Oh, I'm sorry. She's an unfortunate victim of the ruling. The judgment, or whatever they call it now. Ano judge? Ano ruling? Oh, yung hurricane. Umuulan, di ba? Oh, earthquake pala. Oof. Ah, yun lang. Coma. Nakoma siya. If I had heard about one of those close by. So anyway, are we set on a pizzeria? Or perhaps you prefer somewhere else? Uy. Anywhere else, fine. Give me that banal response. Banal is not holy, ay. Iba kasi ibig sabihin nun? No, really, it's fine. I'm not a picky eater. Parang ano lang, meh. Parang ano lang, mundane, ganun. Are you sure? Parang earthly response, normal lang. I don't eat. Pinagsasabi mo? Okay ka lang, kuya? Kailangan ba ng Riz? So, what did you want to tell? Oh wait, I almost forgot. You might have someone... Oh, hindi. Epal yung boyfriend niya. Who is it? I plan on telling Sophia this if she didn't have to leave. I'm the one who should be telling her, so... Promise me you won't tell her or anyone. I promise. This is going to be startling. Especially coming from me, but... Alis na ba siya? Oh, that's... Hindi! Oh my, that lucky guy, B. Si Ryan... Mike? Sino si Mike? Why wouldn't I? He's the lead guitar... Oh, naku, gitara! Naku, ang finger skills, they're indie styles right about my alley. So how did it, happen? We've been together for a month now behind closed doors. I've been testing the waters and I think I made the rational choice. Wag na, bakit yan? Wag na, marami yan ibang tatrapahin. I never realized how closed off I was. Studies were all to my life, but he showed me there's more to it. And that there's value in having people close to you. People really know you. So here I am, getting out more. Making out with friends ang nabasa ko. Sorry. And hopefully, doing a good job. Yeah, okay naman. That's why, nothing. You're doing pretty well. I used to think all the romantic possibility is superfluous. But I was wrong. Ito na naman nagsasabi ng ano eh. Maybe all you need is someone who reminds you it's okay to loosen up. Yung mga sabing ano muna, aral muna and let people in. People who can help you find the right path. And that's great, Luis. Although we'll be fine third wheeling for a bit. Leche! Don't get me wrong, I just want to thank you for taking your time here. Sure, I don't mind at all. Hayop ka, ginamit mo pa akong chaperone. Ano to? Pag ito sinabi, you caught me back there. And I've been thinking hard about it. It hasn't really been raining, has it? As far as I remember. Yeah, it's been hot and dry. Well, ako din, dry na kasi may boyfriend ka na. And rainy season is supposed to happen for a couple of more months. You know, we can look at up right now, just to be sure. Okay. How mindless of me. Today, Sunday, yep. All 30 degrees, mainit, walang ulan. Okay ka lang? So, if my memory serves me well, nothing. Not even a raindrop. Drop top. Yung uluha ko lang yung papatak ngayon eh. Bizarre. It was raining outside my room last week. Whoa, but it can't be. A vivid dream? It might have been one. And it felt so real to you. Ako, tell me. Hindi ba yung music narinig nyo yun? Did you ever have strong deja vu? So strong you feel highly confident that it happened. But it actually didn't. Meron pa siya doon sa ano niya? Ay, hindi, ano lang pala yun. Probably. Just small ones I forget about in no time. You see, I talk to other people and we're sharing the same experience. False memories? Confabulation, you mean? No, it can't be. It can't possibly be this common. Let alone shared. It might be some kind of unusual coincidence. It could be, but the chances are extremely slim. Slim shady, you're even likelier to win the lottery twice in a row. I badly need to know what. Oh my god, hey guys, what's... Ito ba yung my... Hey, there you are! Wait, is that a cake? Yes, congratulations! Is that a bit too much? Proton of my life! Let's keep those cheesy lines private, please. Anyway, meet Mark. Ang aking neutron, my classmate and friend. Ah, emphasis of friend. Nice to meet you, bud. Nice to meet you too. Hey, I was at your benefit gig last night. Ah, nga pala, nilike ko nga pala, tinanong ko pa nga eh. Gotta do it for the victims, you know. Ako, mabait pa siya. GG na. We don't mind where the money go. We donate to the ACF and other non-profits. Cool. Cool. We're planning one more gig before the year ends. Especially now that our new single's coming out. Right, I saw that. This is it, right? Heck yeah! This is it, baby! Oh, so aren't we going now? Let's go. Aww. Ano mukha yun? Leche. Wala, memories. Mukha na lahat na naka-third wheel. Dear aso. Oh! Minsan mayroong video niyo kakaskas siya ng paa. Benedict Doxers. Ay, nakakalibata pa. Hey, payback time! Ano to? Ano yan? A-Mart 3 Reflect. Ang sabi nung stand, meron daw silang, hindi daw yun yung ginagamit nila. Ay, para saan yun? Para sa paa? Okay, Cathy na tayo. Kasi wala na si Luis. Just got here. Hindi lalo yung tatagalan. Dapat di mo sinabi. Okay, wait for me. So, is it legit? Alam na ni Ryan. Ito yung masasaktan, di ba? Yep, it's legit. Meron na siyang boyfriend. The rumors. Bagal mo kasi. Ba't ako mag-change ng subject? Di ba pareho lang naman? Just say yes or no. You went to our game yesterday, right? Yeah, you should have skipped practice. Baka nasaktan lang siya lalo. Can't do that. BB's life, dude. Yeah, basketball is life! Nakalimutan mo na tuloy. Hindi ka tuloy nagka-BB. Kaka-basketball mo. And you're confirming or denying. God damn it. So yeah, good night. Nah, hang loose. Lots of fish in the sea. Tama! Si Cathy. Yung si Alex. Sino yun? Ako, pag ito si Sino na naman to? Si Sofia. Yung best friend niya. Hey, what's up? Dingle B. Please drop the Y. Oh, Marky. Ako yan, dinamihan ko pa yung Y. Have you heard of the rumors? I hate to tell you this, but it's real. Yeah, I know. How? Sinabi sa akin. Di mo ba pinost? May picture ka na eh. Kupal. Palang po. Nag-message ka para saktan ako. Yo, fan. Gusto mo maging girlfriend ko? Yan mo lagi sinasabi. Sabi mo eh. Thanks. Ano to? Nag-taekwondo? Sleeping at the convenience store? I venture to always be the most authentic version of myself. So this is what you get. Tada! Naka-post pa siya eh. Oh, this? Not a fan, are you? That's not what I'm saying. I mean, pajamas never leave the house. Come on, Mark. Don't let your dull lifestyle spoil you. Pajamas are comfortable. I just want to wear them all the time. If you say so. You're literally the symbol of freedom in the clothing industry. You see, with this, I feel like I want to sleep, fly, and sway and be free. Wow, how... Oy, whoa, matagtabi tayo, boy! Man, nothing impresses you. Some things do. Like, refusing to wash your clothes for days. Just because your crush bumped into it. How do you even? Okay, that's it. I'm out. You know, this wouldn't be a genuine talk without me pulling your leg. But that's all you're gonna get for today. Yeah, but that's unfair. There's nothing to make fun out of you. Because you're so cool, eh? Why, thank you. It's gonna be something. Anyway, what did you want to talk about? First of all, the rumors. Is it legit my future wife's taken? Ako na lang. Let's just spread like wildfire, huh? Of course. It's the universal crush getting a boyfriend. Who happens to be a universal crush as well. Well, I despise your taste in men. Why him, Luis? Well, nagkikita na siya. The dream is over. What? So what did she tell you? That she's in love with me. and what to say into the sunset? Like, oh, shut up. So pa naman ganun. So nangaasar eh. So with Luis crossed out, that leaves you with no one to crush on, right? Whoa. Did you really just accept Jaggy? Fuck it. Hey, leaks on the new students are out. Oh shit, you're right. The names are even there. New crushes. Woot! You thinking what I'm thinking? Roger. Stalker mode activated. Ay, mga magagaling mag-stalk. Let's see. Dear teachers, please be informed of our 2 new that's for students, blah blah blah. 9 Pearl, and just 1. I hate life, and her name is John C. Batag iba. It's a girl though. Sounds crushable. Ganda na, no? Animation style. Alright, moving on. Whereas next up, we also have to welcome a new student. And your name is Nicole. Babae na naman. Laksamana? Oh, gusto ko mga shots natin sobrang close. Ang cute nila. Bagay sila. Lewis got it right. Rumor mills are on another level these days. Yee. Mark? Yee. Shit. You're always brain dead, but never like that. What's wrong with you? Nakamay ko yung shampoo mo eh. It's just that. The name's not... Bakit yung sinasabi nila ni yung, let me guess, yung may mga naalala silang memories, you're gonna scare me again, about how these girls were KA during World War I. I've had enough of that. Something fresh, please. Ito, fresh yung mga students. Na bago. Never mind. I'm going home and you lapse on me again. Agreed. Let's get back to stalking. Alright, detective. Let's see what this Kate's got. No results found. Nako, nada. What about Katie? Wala rin ba? Zilch. What about Catherine? Ito yung marami alam. Wala lahat. Arg. I surrender. There's no helping it. We've tried every alternative name. Screw this. You guys must be a full-on introvert. Or a tech illiterate. In this day and age. We'll see her soon anyways. Fair enough. No point banging our heads against the wall. You know we've still got one more. Oh well. Crossing my fingers for the last one. What's her name again? Si Laksamana. Nicole G? Whoa, Mark. You pay for those memory training apps? I fell for the free trial. There. One Nicole Laksamana coming right up. Here she is. Ay, buti naman may searchable. I think I like her. What? What? May milk tea ba yun? She's charming! Baka feeling ko baka connected ako sa kanila dati na umulit lang eh. Kasi parang may naalala siya eh. I wonder where this is. May off doon sa music eh. Her look will grow on for me for sure. She might just be my next Louise. What do you say? Very sus. Mark? Mark, why the hell does it feel like I've known them? I've known her for so long. May ganun nga minsan, no? Ganun din si Luis eh. Whatever Luis was talking about. Baka nangyayari din yun. Kaso wala mga memories na nagpa-flash eh. Alright, that's it. I'm out of here. No, don't. Okay na. Sabaw lang. Bilang mo akong kape? 49 lang. Oh, 69? What? She died during the Great War? Then choice of a satanic cult? It's just... Yeah, she looks nice. Could be one of your future wives. Yeah, tahimik siya. Stared at her like a creep. She could be yours instead. No, seriously. If ever she's smart, then go for it. Ba't nilabas ba niya yung dila niya? Really? Heck yeah! Fell to the bottom here and I'm rising right back up. Ayun yung mga haters sa likod nila. Tatlo. Shit, it's mom. Gotta take this. Sigaw ka na dyan. Ungol ka. Hey, mom. Ungol ka. What? No, please. No, but mom. Yeah, I'm going. Ano nangyari? I will. Just give me a few more minutes. Yeah, whatever. Bye. Nag-grounded ba siya? What's the deal? You know, moms being moms. Like I just came here, and now I gotta go home. Oh. Well, to be fair, it's kinda running late now. Sure. Lucky you, your mom's not home. Alam mo ba? Your mom... She must be worried, you know? Hindi mo naiintindihan. Paano pag wala akong nanay? I don't care! Rebellious face. After all, I am home. What? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Hold on a sec. Did you hear that? Yun. Oh! Naku po, umuulan pa. Kailangan bumili ng payong. Ay, ito na yung matagal na nakikita ni ni Luis. Umuulan na naman sa bubong ng 7-Eleven. Nakakamiss yung getong vibe. Talagang sinisigurado nila yung vibe check dito no? Were you born yesterday? It's been a while, hasn't it? Yeah. And now it's pouring down. Like it's reaching out to me. Whoa! Ano yun? Bakit may pag-abot? Ano siya? Baka ulanin. Wow. You're gonna catch up. Talagang pinag-isipan to Hindi lang ako nakalaro ng ganitong klaseng Did you take a shower today? I did. But the water at home stinks. I'm sick of it. You're acting freaky today. What's gotten into you? Baka abuso yung nanay niya. Hey, why do you look so impressed? Damn it, Mark. Have you forgotten? I told you I'm up. Okay, ikaw na. Mahilig sa sa gabi. Gabi ba or getting wet? Whoa! Kasi ibigin ng Pluvifal. Sumana ka ng post tapos sabihin nyo nga sa akin. Reach out your hand. Tapos, like this. And you feel it. And it's rained the raindrops dropped up. Feel them slide down your wrist. Puta, ito kakabasa mo to ng yung yung total libro Kaya, and you'll never understand how people admires this. Kundi ikaw na cool. Since when did you get this weird cake? Ano, masaya siya. Ito pala isa ko. You dickhead. Close pala kami. Say, have you ever wondered how butterflies fly under the rain? They don't. Right, nagpapatama lang sila. They just hide wherever they can. Parang ito. Namamatay lang ba sila pag di sila nakahanap? They get tattered. Or even die. Ang deep, ang lalim naman ito. I can tell you were listening to Miss Alma. Biology was the shit, man. Oh, should we go home now? Gotta study for exams tomorrow, you know. Liar. Hindi ka naman nag-aaral Liar. Gotta sleep all day. Attaboy. Close pala kami. I just remembered, where's Riddle? Is he coming? No. Missed the memo? No, the exams won't let him out. He's missing yet again. Kaya ito yung importansya, like available. Well, at least nagbigay ka ng oras sa magkaroon ng buhay besides sa pag-aaral. God, I wish he was here. Then we'd push each other out of the umbrella. Then Will's face will fall flat on the puddle. Then I bet you'll be get so rained. So, nah, I bet you'll because you trip in one push. Aww. Cute naman. Though I wouldn't recommend pajamas for that. Pinag-isipan nila yung Hey. Yeah? If you dickheads ever run away from me, I will never forgive you. Naku, ayoko to! Dead flag ba to? You got that. On behalf of Fidel, copy princess. Aww. Ano to? Friendship lang. Walang romance dito. Alam mo kung ganyan eh. Mga pupunta sa ano mo. Ano to? Magpapahinga ng ulo, tapos di ka naman gusto, papaasahin ka. Anong ginawa ko? Chapter 2. Wait na naman ako. Dang it, cat. You had to pull me into this. Hey, exam results are out. Can't wait to see which ones I flop. Chemistry. Siyempre ako yung perfect. Kasi yung perfect. Ako to. Of course, si Luis yun. Ako ba to? Please! Yes! Pwede na. Math. Di ka pwede maging bobo sa, ano. Ito, sigurado bagsak ako. Kasi kaya. Pasado ako dito. Ito, 35-36. Pwede na, pwede na. Naku, di ka pwedeng bagsak sa Filipino. Lahat naman ito pasado. When pigs fly, when pigs fly. See. Wait, 36. Lahat ba 36 na 35? 36. English, very good. Magaling mga mag-English kanya sa dialogue. History, 34. Meron ako isang binagsak. Naku, art. Ito ang bagsak. There it is. Of course, gonna go without a flunky wordy score. Yes, I better make up to Mrs. Flores. Ang creepy naman. Yeah, not bad. Nah, that's just a fluke. Wait, what was that? Oh. Yung sa piano namin. Kukunyari ba ako nagka-piano? Meron akong pixel ng puyat, oh. Isipin mo yun yung ulan. Okay. Sige. Wrong. Original ba? The notes, they're lost in his hazy memory. I have to rearrange them. Ano to? Ilaksama na ba to? Ito yung nangyayari kay Luis eh. May iba akong memories na nasi-share eh. Oh! No, that's not how I remember. I try to remember. Please. She's such a lovely, talented kid. Do you like it? Ganda nung ambience na nagagawa nito. Gusto ko tong game na. Oh! May patay na halaman sa likod. Focus, concentrate. Di pa siya umuwi. Ayun, noisy sa blackboard. Epal talaga itong hype to. Tropa talaga eh. Ito, inagulat ako, hayop. Hawak mo ba yung kamay ko? Hoy! Ang cute nila What the hell? Going all in on this piano thing, Though you might want to tone it down if you don't want it to look like a possessed idiot. You didn't have to do that. God, you nearly gave me a heart attack. Poor guy. Just you wait, cat. I'm telling you. Manok. Look at those sunken eyes. You needed that energy surge. Well. Don't you accuse me of your own wrongdoing. Ano ba ginawa ko? I thought we go early today. Instead, you chose to sleep late over some lame-ass MMO. But who's the one responsible for dragging me to this stupid plan? Ano ba gagawin namin? Right. I wonder who. Don't you? Hey, look. Tayo na pinagpasala ako, leche. Let's see. Ako itong electric. Let's just get enough sleep next time, please. God knows what other creep shit you'd be doing alone. I was. Pag gumagana yung electric pan, dapat sirayan na. Forget it. I know I'll be here in any moment now. Then they'll be like, whoa, Mark. Is that you? This early? Looks like you need another scare to wake you up. I got a 13 on art. A third scare will just be overkill. Are you sure? I might awake. Don't you? Don't worry. Ah, I'm gonna manok if you say so. What you got there? Well, ito. Kathy. Puta, lahat ang tataas, 40 lahat. It's decent. Nothing surprising. Your definition of decent is what's surprising here. Unlike you, my bar is higher. To be fair, my bar is higher than yours. Mine's just upside down. Well, I guess they can live with this. What? Live with? Are you? Oh, I get it. We're playing the humble game, aren't we? Huh? Well, Kat, look at these. What do you think of these? My disgraceful scores. Gumagano pa. Let me guess. The usual 30-20 for barely passing. Maybe you got lucky this time, got a 36. I said, look at my scores. Fine. What? 30? 30 what? You saw that, right? Humble, I did get a 36. What have you done? Were you sitting next to Luis? Did you just cheat? I would never commit such a crime. I'd officially finally tried my hand at actual studying. How did you study? When? I don't mean to brag about. It took just 2 good hours studying without instruction. And just a day before the exam. No biggie. But worth ba sa mental health ko? Shit, man. Tsaka physical health mo ako. Are you that sleeping genius in my noggin? Yeah. And just like that, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, it has awakened from eternal slumber. Bakit yung kanya animation naglalakad siya? That's it. Playtime's over. It's a fluke. Teachers were forgiving. Exams were just too easy. No, they weren't. Period. Hell nah. I agree it wasn't easy at all. Oh, really? Yeah. It was. Whoa! Naka-headband na violet. Ano yun? Speaking of flukes, this stupid plan actually worked. Shh. Not yet. Lie low, keep it down. Ano ba gagawin namin? Remember, we have to establish a strong connection with the target. Ito ba yung bago? At the soonest. You weren't kidding. New students do come in early. Newbies like her will like to attract attention. Tama. So they can mingle as much as they can before the classes start. Oo nga, no? Basta ako, nung first day ko na naalala ko sa college, late na late ako. You really think that? Meron lang upuan sa pinakamalapit sa pinto, kaya nakaupo ako doon sa pinakamalapit sa pinto. Kasi lahat kinuha na sa likod. Being her first new friend is worth sleeping early for? That's correct. You get higher chance of winning her heart. I read that online, by the way. Okay, maniwala ka sa lahat na sinasabi na internet, so why the heck did I just get dragged into this if it's just about you? Duh, cause you're the backup plan. Huh? That was a part of the plan. Shh, quiet. No, nakatingin pa, nakatingin sa labas na main character moment. Now what? So much for they want to attract attention and mingle. Trust me, she might be a meek one. I've seen this kind before. Quiet as a mouse, playful as a cat. But once you get to know her, well, you'll be surprised. What do you see about that? Oh! Okay, baka yun lang talaga siya. Oh, baka rin. Parang ayaw niya may pag-usap eh. Oh my, she's pretty. Did you see that? Yeah. And I can also see where this is headed. I know, right? We'll get together and become good friends. Then I'll ask her out on a date. Then we'll watch the stars. Bilis mo daw, then we do whatever they do in the movies. But I hate to break it to you, but this is it in Hollywood. It's now or never, man. Here I go. Okay. Di natin pwede samahan. Great. Hey there. Kid, right? Of the great star. I'm Catherine Joyce, but you can just call me Kath. I'm the friendliest one you'll ever meet here. Yes, you can probably tell. Your name's Kate, right? It kinda sounds like mine, you know? What a coincidence. I'm sure that means we'll be good friends. It should be now, but yes, I know that feeling, my friend. Sucks transfer to a new school, I know. You'll get used to it for sure. Ang daming yapping, we're all nice around here. Unique ni ate mo, especially me. Baka bad mood pa siya. No wonder you haven't had a girlfriend yet. But then I'm one to talk. So, welcome to Lamson Integrated School. This is Class 9 Pearl. Cat at your service. You must be the silent type, huh? Ooh, oy, galit! Galit na. I'm the polar opposite of the silent type if you keep talking. So it will be very nice of you if you keep that mouth shut. Ooh, thank you. Oh, rejected. Please, I said thank you, didn't I? Yung mukha niya, flat na gano'n na bibig. So, welcome to Hollywood, eh? What's the problem? Got your tongue? Or should I say, Kate, got your tongue? Oy, gago ka! You dickhead! Cute. That shitty joke did not help at all. I've been stripped of all my dignity. Did you see? I did. And it was fun. Well, let's see who's laughing now. Ang cute naman ng mga ganitong scenes. Oh, there, I told you. You're the backup plan. Ba't ako? Just face it. Now go and talk to... Baka pag lalaki. Hi, Kate. It's not like I have any dignity to lose anyway. Sorry for the commotion back there. This was just my friend who's too friendly. He's just like that sometimes. Ay, nagbaba na ng kamay na naman. Look, I don't want to be meddling in your affairs. But... mukha siyang type na kailangan sabayan mo yung pagka-moody eh. Sige, this place sucks. I just wanna welcome you. This place sucks, but it's got its moments. As expected, I'm talking to a wall. This is pointless. I'm out. Ah, sasagot yan! Wait, yun oh! Go ahead. You're free to make a comeback. Mukha ito parang si Megumil lang eh. Did someone tell you? Tell me what? About the what? Never mind. Man, ayoko naman ginaganon ako eh. Lalo lang ako nagiging curious eh. Wanna talk about it? No. You may leave now. Okay, madam. But we just talk, kind of. I'm not fan of all this yapping. Ako rin eh. Okay. Name's Kate. That's it. Shut your mouth. I'm Mark. Nice to meet you, I guess. Mas lalo lagi awkward dahil sa manok eh. And that's our new classmate, folks. Parang may nakita ko sa bintana. Ako lang ba yun? Hooray. Parang may dumaan. Ano pa dito sa kanan? Sa peripheral ko eh. Man, I don't know what just happened back there. But that ain't fair. I'm the social butterfly here. No, not you. Ako nga pala kasi yung butterfly. But just how she even introduced herself. If I could even call it that. Oh, lumalapit siya. Would you please let me take a nap? Ito si si Ryan. Is that you? Is this early? Oh ma, put a sock in it. Papahinga ako eh. That must be Katrina, right? What's up, Katrina? Ignored. Ito nga pag sobrang aga mo. Kayo lang din. Whoa, you got two cat. Why'd you guys come in so early? Cash ba niya to, cat? Hello? Okay ka lang. Kainis. Yo! Cat got your tongue? Shut up! Nice. Wake up, sleepyhead. It's lunchtime. Don't you wanna play our air piano again? Oh, good. Finally. Rise and shine. So how much did you get? 1 measly hour. Make it 2. It's a good thing you got lucky with Junjun. What? Kasi natutulog nga pala si Junjun. You know, just like Junjun over there. Favorite niyang ano. I did what? Why did anyone wake me up? Well. Wala. But it was no use. You were in a deep sleep. And we couldn't get the sleeping beauty up. O naging possible. Uy, gago. And no one wanted to kiss you. Uy! So yeah. What did the teacher say? They didn't want to kiss you either. I'm sorry. Am I kissing my grades goodbye? That's where you got lucky, man. They didn't give a damn. At least for now. What a relief. I swear, just one more warning from Mr. Alfonso. And I'm out of here. He was in a surprisingly good mood. They say he got his ex-girlfriend back. Good for him. What about Mrs. Flores? What are you talking about? It's after lunch break. Hey, speaking of, what did you paint? Paint what? You know, for our poster. Huh? Our Earth is sick. Okay, mga global warming. Sabing meron na naman ako ano. Don't be mean, be clean. Di ko ba nagawa? Shit. Di na nga pwede to, di ba? I know it's so cliche. But man, I did it all on my own. And I'm so proud of it. What do you think? Wala naman ako nagawa, I think I'm in trouble. There's no way. Cramming this is flat out impossible. Nga, paano matudraw to within... I have 2 or I'm getting kicked out for real. So how many things do I have? Tayo na crammer lord ang pod. 7 minutes. Let's go, kaya. 6 minutes ka kay Bugoy. I've always been. I know you cram. But this is just insanity. Oh, but ang bilis ng animation eh. Parang lang sa cram na eh. Ganun katindi yung cramming na to. Oh, just gotta dash my way to the supply store. I can do this. Pagdodrawing, may jump ba to? Ano to? Wala naman action. Okay. Oh, I dodge. Oh my god. Di ko alam yun, what? Sorry. Ano ko malalaman ko, right or left? Sorry, my bad. Left or right? Okay. I'm not running in the hose. It's an emergency. You're going to paint something so avant-garde and pretentious. I'll knock first, knocks off, sucks off. Takbo, bato support. Swerve. No! Dapat sidestep. I hate life. You know it. Same tayo dyan, bro. I got it. I just splash paint around. I just like that. I'm the next Pollock. Oh my god, wait lang. Slow down. Oh, wait, dapat nag-speed up ako. No, may corner pala. Sorry, wala lang akong pera. Mali. Okay, abot tayo. Target lock, baby. We're almost there. Uh-oh. What are you doing out here? Si Luis ba yan? Leap? Leap. Oh, nako, isa pang above. Ito yung isa. Ako, ito yung magaling eh. Oh, 0 to 50. I got a score of 13. Kung sabing nahalikan niya to, cliched anime moment. Hey, Mark. Hey, Billy, my guy. What's up? What's the last minute rush today? Alam na niya eh. Need anything? Marker pen, printing Xerox. I did need something, but I don't think I'm into good shape to cram now. That girl isn't good in shape as well, it seems. Patay. Wala nang buhay. Uh-oh. Hey, Sleeping Beauty. Ako, long hair pa. Don't forget your USB papel. Kuya Billy. Nako, yari ka. Ikaw maghuhugas niyan. Lahat ng babae galit sa akin dito. Cute animation. Siyempre galit sa'yo, hindi ka hawakan yan. Nakasimangot na. You monster!
Ayan ka na naman. Pinapaiyak ko talaga ako.
I don't need your hand!
I'm sorry for this happening.
I have 2! And I can set up... I'm okay! Hey, kilala ko ba siya? Wah! Wah! What's your deal? Or no deal? Sorry, but I didn't mean to. You didn't mean to ruin someone's first day this... siya yung isang okay, sure. Thanks, I guess. Siya yung isang transfer student. Nice. Sinisi mo pa siya. Wow! Someone's losing barely through the halls. I know. But sorry, you're in the wrong too. Ooh. I lost my conscience for a moment there. You almost killed me for Pete's sake. Hey, ooh. Damn, magiging Tekken ba yung gameplay? Look at this mess. Look at me. Hector, look at... Ooh. I'm a mess. I was so sensitive though. It's not a burden your life here. Gago niya, parang trauma ako. And you just gotta... Can I mess it up like that? What am I supposed to do? Oh, nako po, teacher ba yan? Whatever. I never want to see your face again. Nakita ba? Great. Both of you, principal's office. Now! Ang dami pala dito. Daming ruta dito ng mga characters, ha? Fortunately, we have extra uniform for students. You ought to start them next week. You understand? Opo. Let this teach you a well-deserved lesson. Scary. He will stay here until dismissal. I've called the principal. Should be here in a few hours. Puta na, ano gagawin namin? Wait a second. Have I seen your face here before? Nope. Yes. I have no idea. Miss Legaspi, I knew it. Just how many ones you have left before you get expelled. Alam na niya. I don't know. I'm invincible. Oh! Meron. Magaling invincible. Hey, candy? Mint? Fruit? Oh, long hair. What was I thinking? Candy won't be enough to tame the beast. There's gotta be something in here. Bigyan mo siya ng art. Ano to? Tapakan? Ano yun? Oh, bigyan natin ng greetings my fellow Liamsonians. I just want to announce that. You can never get rid of me. I keep the school running. With my pocket as deep as the Marianas. No matter how many times you detain, warn, or punish me, you won't ever have the balls to let me go. I'm not a genius or a dreamer, but I've got, epic bangs. Epic bangs. Tayo na. Gaya natin siya. Epic bang. That's all for my beloved school. Thank you for your attention. Too bad security can't record audio. Oo nga eh. Makakalanta ka. What an audience. And at least I appreciate a round of applause here. Pansinin mo ako. Pansinin mo ako! Pansinin mo ako! Pansinin mo ako. Ito. So yung pagtitipalan natin lahat ng mga gamit dito. Bago to ah. I haven't seen this before. Would you look at this bad boy? Science. Physics. Hey look. Bars. Apparently, bladeless fans are unexciting. Paano ba ito pasasahin? Ooh, best school. Ano to? May mga awards tayo. It went well after 5 years. Ding Dong Chavez. Watch this. Useless but fun fact. Our lavish principal has 3 cars. A pickup, a sedan, and an SUV. Ang daming kotse ah. We just heard was the SUV. I love it. It has the best beep. Sabi ng jeep. Not interesting enough for her. Nakakanap din tayo. Bruno John Chavez. Jose Maancha. Mga... Wait lang, ba't puro mga Chavez? As valedictorian. I won't be surprised if Junjun takes the gold medal from home too. Ano siya? Corrupt yung school. Ano, medyo lavish yan. Dami mga nakalagay eh. Ano, ko na napansin. So wait, Chavez din ba yung principal? Yes, ko na buko ulit. Hanapin ko, wait lang. Ano daw? Let's give her a taste of fancy Shimansi coffee. The lift her spirits up. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you? Diba ano yan? Di ka bibili. They got a coffee maker with a grinder here. Top of the line gear. They've got Arabic beans too or whatever. Cream of the crop. You won't find this anywhere else. It's Arabica, you jerk. Hey! Now it's okay. Yo, you wanna come over Arabica? Siyempre gusto mo yan. My hipster friend would kill for this. I'll take that as a yes. Nasasayangan mo sa shampoo pag ganyan kahaba yung buhok. Smells good, doesn't it? Gusto mo yan? Nearly done. I know you can't wait. Nangaasar pa. 1 cup. And 1 cup for me. Ba't lagi na siya nakahawak sa isa niya itlog? It never disappoints. Nilagyan mo ba ng creamer yan? Tsaka ano? Don't let that specially go to waste. You don't always get a chance to taste overpriced tuition. That's where it all goes. Come on before it gets cold. Hindi naman ko na eh. Maybe you should have iced coffee. I have tried everything now. Forget it. This is useless. Give up. Balik na agad. I give up. Tulog ka sa... I did all I could possibly do. Nothing could make you speak. Besides stupid Arabic beans. It's Arabica. 2995, 2996, 2997. Lahat sila ito cute eh, no? 2999, 3000, 3001. Ay. Oh wow. Would you look at the time? It appears you have 3 more exciting hours left. Imprisoned here with nothing to do. Except, you know, Socialize like humans do. O nga, kausapin mo na ako. Sige na. Huwag ka na mahiya. Ako lang ito. You do not deserve my cooperation. Di ba ako kilala eh? Thank God. But after all I've done to cheer you up, I'm sorry. After what you have done. Anyway, try hard. Ooh, but I'm sure you're trying. Ooh, double. Ooh, you haven't even taken a sip of my coffee yet. That surely can overcome your nerve, mish. Di ba nagdadagdag ng nerves yun? Mister, you're dodging the real issue here. You're just wasting my time. I told you. You were literally talking up half of the width of the hallway. Even worse, right in the middle. And you were running. Read the handbook. Second step. Oops. Now nalagyan tayo ng handbook. I'm surprised a novice like me knows here no more than a supposed veteran. Whoa. Luke was so gung-ho about transferring. She knows the handbook like the back of her hand. Why, thank you. That's what the back of my hand is for. The phone is for you, you know. Ooh, dealing with you. Just in case. Damn. They have intention to, if you didn't know. Normal people will do their business at the side to make way for others. But I guess some people seem part of that population. Sir, have you ever heard of speed limits? Wow, what is this? I think someone here could take a page of the traffic etiquette. Getting this show on the road, huh? Well, ever heard of middle lane hogging? Go ahead, take a page. Oh my, get this show on the... But get the music! Did you just use an idiom literally? How cheesy. Actually, there's a double entendre. I used the idiom both literally and as intended. Too bad my ingenuity went over your head. I wish ingenuity were an antonym for genius right now. Running out of fuel? Cause that was a lame. Admit it, get nila, your car has crashed. It's my fault your car crashed into mine? Yeah, flat tire. Huh? What's that even supposed to mean? I said, you're a flat tire. What? Gago. No! You monster! You really wanna get it, do you? I'd be flattered. You dirty sicko. Okay, itsura pala ng principal eh.
I'll talk to you later!
Ay, parang mga marites mong tita eh. Good afternoon, Mrs. Chavez. Naku, Chavez nga rin siya. Good day, Miss Chavez. Looking fancy today. How are we going? Anong ginawa mo sa tuition fee namin ninakaw mo?
I've got you again! Although it's the first time you brought someone with you!
I sincerely apologize for the trouble. I hope we can resolve this ASAP.
Whatever! I'm in a hurry! Come on, follow me!
Sabi mo yan.
Oh, yes, please ask me, stop me everything! I have to say, what you've committed is one serious offense. Serious indeed.
But it's his fault.
Hold your horses, miss. You'll get a chance to speak up later.
Understood. I'm sorry. Flat tire.
Come again!
Your sedan. I think that's a flat tire.
How'd you know?
I just saw it earlier.
And?
There it was. A flat tire. So flat you wouldn't be able to drive it. That sounds horrible.
I have to get that fixed.
Absolutely.
That's it? Miss! Where are your manners? Is his fault? All this! The spaces in the hallway don't care in the world!
Mister.
Mister, no running in the halls! You made it clear the handbook, didn't we?
Yes, some smug look. You guys did make it clear. Props to you for that. 4 thumbs up. But the little missy here was blocking the middle of the hallway.
Oh, miss! I'm sorry, but you can't do that. You should never give away, right?
No.
No, but look, isn't it clear who should be accountable?
Clear as day.
If you weren't running in the first place, none of this would have happened.
Same as if you weren't blocking the hallway. Plus, you wouldn't have annoyed a bunch of your schoolmates.
Pretty sure you had annoyed a bunch of that long way to do. Just what I've been with it.
Silence! I've had enough of you two. I'm calling your parents now.
No, please.
I just transferred here. They'd be so... No! Wait. Please don't... Oh, wala siyang parents eh. Don't look at me like that, Mark. You surprised me. Mark? Oh, well then. If you don't want me to call your parents, for the love of everything good and holy, just make out with each other. What? How? Hold hands. Figure it out or I'll call your parents now. I've got a mall wide sale to cash to make it. Sabi ko na eh. Pinagagastos niya talaga eh. Okay, fine. I'll cover everything. I'll pay for the painting of the walls and flooring. That's good. I'll get you a cool gift too. Because I love this school and I love What? You don't have to, but okay. And lastly, I'll help her. So, syempre, redo. Para, diba? Kasama natin, which I obliterated to bits. That sounds like a good plan then. It covers everything we'd otherwise worry about. My pleasure. But Mark, I've been hearing about your grades. Remember, you can't make up for that in any way. You have to study, and if you want to stay here, yeah, I will. I'm gonna miss you guys if I leave. So, miss, how does Mark's plan sound to you? Ay, ka na. Ano tayo pa natin problema? I can take it, I guess. Alright. You two may go home now. What about schoolwork due today? Turn them in like next week. Your teachers will understand. Awesome! More time to do that stupid art project. I guess. Okay, this is my final warning. Mark, please don't run in the holes. Miss, please don't block them. Do you two understand? Aba, Mrs. Chavez, di na po mauulit. Yepers. Atong Gen Z speak. Meeting adjourned. Be safe on the way home. Siyempre, ikaw masaya. Hopefully, hindi sila nagnanakaw. That happened. Ano yun? Get away with it just like that. Just like that. Sanay na ako. Lagi na ako nandito eh. Dati high school, lagi ako tinatawag sa principal Sophie. Elementary. Tapos kilala na ako sa first name ko, hindi na apelido. So, sinira mo yung first day ko, hindi kita pa pagbibigyan. Cool. Not yet, that is. Mapalibre ba to? So, what is it? Ano name mo? Ayun na nga si Laksamana. Siya yung nag-art. Nakita natin. You can call me Nicole. Okay, Nicole. At ako mag-sorry. Sige, sorry tayo. Sorry. Obviously, I wanted to crash into each other. Hard to get. So, what are we gonna do? Secret. I could have used a little help back there. You carried all of that, Mark? For me? Aw. You forced me to. Oh, you're such a gentleman. Not a lot of gentlemen these days, you know. Si Kath ba to? Why'd you even shop this much? I thought we were just gonna buy art supplies. Like, do you really need a new toothbrush holder? We buy one every... But di ba kada buwan lang? The house keeps stealing it. And all these plastic hooks and clothespins. Why, yes. I collect clothespins as a hobby. There's a sub-get it. Sub-get it. And all these skirts and shirts. Pinag-isipan talaga yung dialogue Have you been wearing the same set of clothes every day? Ew, absolutely. I'm not as filthy as you. And seriously, and this knife set, I'm gonna need more than one knife if you misbehave. Just get this over with. What's taking you so long to open that goddamn door? You're nagging. Si Laksamana pala. Look at our humble abode. Our new humble abode. So that's why. We just moved in a few days ago. Still needs work, I know. Is no one else home? Ha! You wish. My parents are sleeping in the back. So you better keep it down. And your siblings? Well, ikaw only child. Well, I wish I... only child nga! I wish I hassle-free, I'd say. Naintindihan kita, men. No trouble, no drama, no petty arguing. Where's the fun in that? True, I'm gonna get changed. Sumutulungan kita? Stay right there and don't touch anything. Don't touch, got it. So, okay, I'm gonna touch everything. Hawakan lahat. Hey! Can I use the bathroom? Whatever happened to keeping it? Naiihi ako eh. Parol. Kailan ba to? Papasko na ba? Okay, we touch everything. May rabbit. Yun. Yung ibon na. Awa pala. I get mga ibon. Center of ass. But really, it's magic to my eyes. Center of grass city. Pwede pa tayo magpas dito? Ay, hindi. Hanggang dito lang. So, nilagyan nila ng depth yung 2D. Ang cute naman. Sino to? Alam ko only child siya. Or best friend ba niya yun? Kailangan ko ng mga kasagutan sa mga tanong na to. Of course, the staple of every home. Guro pirated DVDs. Micromind, yung mga bobo. Let's see what the flicks they've got. Micromind. Deplorable eh. Ito, Bratatat. Ratatouille. Commits to a savage guy. Ito, Sardian Benny. Benjamin, a gay soldier, yep. But people going to watch this movie anyway, yep. Boom Pak. Oh, ito puro mga kay Vice Ganda. Starring 36 local artists, all mash them into one star-studded film. That's it. So, as about the plot, there's none. The plot, Oy, 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 yo! Wow, wow, okay. Don't they? Anong ball dyan? Patingin? Hindi ko alam yan ah. Ang cozy, no? Ang cozy ng vibe. Wait. Oh, ngayon mo lang na-gets? Yung brick ba niya pinanlilinis? Oh, yun ako, yari tayo dyan. I'm afraid we didn't hire a housemaid. Ah! Hey! Oh my. Do you have a scaredy cat here? Don't tell me you wouldn't jump to. If someone just appeared out of thin air, I would, but your face would just make me burst out laughing. Anyway, we're painting here, right? Of course. You think we're doing this in my room? Wee! Don't get any funny ideas. Oh, I'm not that low. The only funny idea I'm having is painting circles on your face. Oh well, we're going in circles. Let's just start, shall we? Ayan na. Oh! Dali-dali siya. I want to put a knife set beside me, you know, for self-defense. Do you mind? If I can have the knife to protect myself as well. Ganda ng banter nila dito ah. Natural naman. Di na totoo. Good. Let's begin then. How about you go first? Aww. Ito nga talaga yung mga childhood na parang dati iniisip parang wala lang. Ngayon big deal siya pag iniisip mo. I wanna see your potential. Impress me. Heck, maybe it even inspire me. All I'm hearing is blah blah blah. I want to boss you around. No, really. Let's see what you've got. Prepare to be amazed. Drawing ako ng edits. Prepare to be... Aking favorite na drawing. May drawing yun. Gameplay. Okay, gamit tayo ng blue. Oh, okay, nag-crash. Nice one. Okay lang yun. Until then, mag-crash. Still work. Pareho kami ng jacket. Ay, pantalon. Negative. Have you tried turning it off and on? Wow, talino mo. Ano? Kath. Nice. Oh, it was just muted. May ganyan din ako eh. Dum-dum. Where'd you get that from anyway? I never knew you had a piano. Let alone interest in music. No. This is Mom's. Oh, that's cool. Does she play? As a hobby, yeah, she used to. She'd always do classical when I was a kid. What happened? Why'd she stop? You got the music in me. Alam ko ba? She got too busy. Mas realistic kung too busy kasi mukhang close naman ako sa kanila eh. Maybe that's why I want to give it a shot. Give it a shot? Do you even know how to play anything? Puso mo, laruin ko eh. No! But, isang araw. Abay, nasira. Ibig sabihin na to. Hindi mabuti sa ano niya to. Sino ba to? Mukhang babaeng long hair din eh. Si Cathy ba? Kaya ba short hair si Kath? Pwede natin isipin. Try to remember, please. Ito ba intro na until then? Babae oh. She's a talented lovely kid. Do you like it? I don't like it, Mom. I love it. Sino ba to? Ako ba to? I wish I could see her again. Kita mo kinuha nga yung anak niya. At si Kath yun si ano. Is this a good time to talk? Anytime's a good time to talk. Baka si Kath o si long hair. Kasi pareho sila long hair oh. It was easy for me to say but you have a sister. You see? Mga only child, baka meron din ako kapatid. Naiintindihan kita. So parang tinatry niya i-block ng utak niya? Na hindi siya nangyari? Parang ano ba ito? Parang monster. Ano kami, magkapatid na pinaglayo. Ang mga damo sa talahiban ay hindi ko maibsan. Parang sila buhok ko. I wish I could listen to a song for the first time again. Dito magkakanaan sa talahiban. Alam na, kita mo yung damong yan. Diyan kami ng tatay mo. Diyan ka namin binuo. Yan, tumakbo siya. I wish I could watch a film for the first time again. I wish I could have times with my friends again. Ah! Ito na siya. I wish I could have lived for a moment for the first time again. Ito na talaga yung pag sa tumatanda. Ay, nako. Naku po, inap na sila sa pera. Kaya siya napilita ba mag-OFW? Nagbabay na siya. It's like I felt everything there is to feel. Naramdaman ko ng dapat kong ramdaman. Okay, ako na mag-isa. Ang nabubuhay sa sarili ko is pinapadalan ako. Cozy no art style eh. Parang ang lapit mo sa kanila. Parang close mo sa kanila. So naging ano ba ako? Naging mapuot na ako sa buhay kasi wala akong kasama. Yeah. Paulit-ulit mo ginagawa. The routine. There's nothing else to wait for. Totoo naman. Yeah, lalo na yun. Yun ang pinakamabigat sa lahat. Meron pa nga minsan. Kasama mo pa yung mismo magulang mo. Pero parang ang layo nyo sa isa't isa. But maybe. Kaya dapat maging close kayo. Kahit paano. Ayun na nga. Si long hair. Si Kath. Si Luis. Ito ba yung parang inaasam niya na pamilya sana? Just maybe. Nakaramdam ulit siya ng isang pamilya. Oo naman, lalo pag ganyan kakabata. Hindi naman normal sa isang tao yun. Kaya bilib ako sa mga tao lumaki ng walang magulang tapos matino pa rin sila kahit papano. Siguro meron sila mga problema, paminsan-minsan, hindi sila siguro perfecto. Pero bilib ako sa tinutulak nila yung sarili nila maging iba. Na hindi maging tulad ng mga taong ganun. I can feel alive again. Hindi lahat kaya gawin yun. Kaya proud ako sa iyo. Kung ikaw yan, proud ako sa iyo. Chapter 3. Today feels weird. Bakit? Ay, naabangan ko siya. Oh, bata. Ba't hindi maingay? Babato ko yan eh. Ano to? Dito ako nasa hospital. Si grandma. Excuse me. Ma'am, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, from Mondragon Medics admin. Which is here. Okay, kala ko namatay yun eh because of the overwhelming volume we're expecting today. Kaya maganda tong reflection ng ating mga health services sa Pilipinas. We're sorry for the inconvenience. Could you please sit down for a moment? We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Meaning mga isang oras. Okay, thanks. Jeez, I just gotta ask to visit someone. What's happening? Ako na lang bahala. Ako mismo papapasok. Bahala kayo dyan. But they told me to wait first. Bakit ba? Rebel ako eh. I'm not hungry right now. Fine. Pati yung shadow sumusunod eh. Pumuna ako. Overwhelming volume. Totally seems like right now. Ba ginagawa nyo? Pangit lang ba talaga yung uncle? Tito! Yeah, hey, yes, we got here safely too. I was told to wait, but thank God. I know. Yes. Yes, I'll see you here. Take care, bye. Si Kuya Kim. You hear that, sweetie? Uncle's on the way too. Ano kaya to? Baka asawa niya? Asawa niya ata. What's going on? Stop crying, Beck. Yung memes! Princess Sharon, Cathy, portfolio, like, make tayo sa memes. Nothing lasts forever. Ito mga emo. Imong mama. Just wait there. Dear President Robert Quiapo, Mike Aguilar. Wait! Sino ka ba? Ako ba? Pogi ka pala. Ang dami mong friends! Wag ka na. Throwback. Aguero, hold on. Here's finest coffee. Like, Alex Miranda. Si Alex? Ito ba siya? Sino to? No gentleman left this yet. Hashtag Tulfo! Tingnan ng comments. Sis, what the fuck? I know, right? Uy, si Bato. Wake up, we will not be ruled. The ruling is a hoax. Jaggy. I think Kash ni Everyone is proud of my friends for being vocal about this. But ba din kaya siya? I cannot wait for this. Rhythm of Broken Heart played soon. Ito si Cathy. So ito ba si... Wait lang. Si Alex ba yun? Ay nang mukha yan. Ano to? Di ko siya maalala. Ano si short hair? Ano si long hair? Ano mabigyan ko na siya ng pangalan? Si Rodrigo! Tayo na si ano ba to? Ganito nga yun eh. Sobrang wasak na mga kinapi-paste na memes paulit-ulit. Si ano yan, di ba? Si Apple. Oh shit. No. Where are you? Hospital. Ay siya nag-invita sa akin dito. Si Sofia. 3rd floor, okay. It shouldn't be hard to miss. Front desk just told me to wait here. Lagpasan mo. They seem so busy. Don't know how long it'll take. Bakit? May naman malagpasan yan eh. Even there, otherwise visiting hours anyway, it'll be fine. Yeah, dali-diretso ka lang. Just come upstairs, alright. 3rd floor, okay. Let's go. Hindi ako pwede naman, okay. Ito tayo. Third floor. Ganda pa ng pagkakagawa nun, sorry. Anong mangyari dito? Pag ito nasira, okay na. Kinabaan ako sa mga ganun eh. Oh! Daming tao! Hard to, I can't thank you enough, Doc. You're very welcome, Jose. Papasko na pala! Is your family coming in? Yes, for the baby. Anong nangyari sa kanya? Naging mommy siya. Is there any way to speed this process up? Ano, parang alam mo, may ano eh. May pili oh. May ano. A little. Ganda ng ano. Kala mo may pila sa pagkain eh. Oh, wait, gulot ako. Cute mo pa naman today. Kasi may boyfriend ka. But no. Taking a bullet for the president was at the end for Cardo yet. Gran, you wouldn't believe it, you seen it with your eyes. What's she doing? Favorite nilang ano? It's in the latest episode of her grandmother's favorite TV series. It's her daily routine. There was a flashback to Cardo's birth, but this time, they revealed a triplet brother all this time. And he's the one who killed Cardo. Di na tatapos. I'm not done yet. Wait. Is that... You guessed it. Well. Is it reason that Dingleberry crashed into our new classmate? In the... That wasn't my fault. Oh, come on. Don't be stubborn. No one's siding with your butt. Sorry, Mark. She's right. So it's not how your flirting works now? Bumping into people they live... Yeah, pre, kahit flat siya. It's a shame you haven't been expelled yet. Did they sentence you to come in? Ang lala naman nung ginawa ko. I don't want to hear your boring story. I bet you just cleaned up the smell the whole night. Oh yeah, I did. Daming mga prospects. So how's your grandma? Yeah, not as much has changed. She's been better. After that chess game apparently, she almost flatlined. Nothing bad happened thankfully. But nag-chess din ba siya? Nothing good happened either. Oh, didn't you tell me she said something? Rook to A4 dapat. Oh yeah, she did kind of. I saw her lips part. I said her say something. What'd she say? I listened, but I couldn't make the words out. I don't know. Hindi mo alam. It probably meant meron yun. Brain doing whatever things or whatever. Could be anything really. Did you have a hunch at least? I don't know. Is it asphalt? Is it rock salt? Whatever it was. At least I have something to latch onto, you know. At least I have that small bundle of hope. Darn pieces of debris fell on her head. Stupid earthquake. Oh, she was very lucky. Got rescued early and brought here. But I guess her luck ran out. So now she's having a really long sleep. Aww. Are the others here rescued too? There were. Some died. Aw, some got discharged. But Gran is still here. Hi man, Gran, you want us lunch? To grab some lunch? Sure. Marky, just so you know, for a hospital cafeteria, their food's surprisingly delicious. I don't trust that smile. Haha, it's true. Come back here and tell me what you think, okay? You really want to get excited about the hospital food? Trust me. Sis, you know what I want. Shh. Sorry. She truly is that girl. Still surprised? She actually seeks out the good, even in the worst of circumstances. Don't you find that admirable? Come on, let's go. Ako kasi sad na ako dito eh. Nihilistic ako. Ay, bago akong Pikachu. Kasi hindi alam ng boyfriend mo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Boy, best friend lang ako. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. How long will I have to wear this? Ganda. Ito, hilig sila dito sa foreground. I hate this. I wanna get home. What's wrong? It just seems like it's gonna be a grim holiday season. Well, yun naman yung kalungkutan ng hospital. It's very good. Wait, sa may cafeteria. Shit. Oh yeah, that's weird. I know, Mark. I was surprised too. It just happened today. What's exactly going on? I heard more and more ruling victims have been taking refuge. There's apparently enough functional hospitals out there. Hasn't there been enough happening ever since? Yes, it's getting worse. Ano ba to? Like, kay Duterte ba to? Anong time ba to? Cafeteria dapat sa labas. Ay, dito pala, sa right side. Kung ngayon, nauna ka sa akin. Please, chop. Free soup. Hello, pabili pa. Yeah. I'll have... Ay, naantok na rin siya. 2 orders of rice and 2 serves adobo, please. Not again. Bakit? Ito naman. As for the other serving, no fatty parts and extra potatoes. Dine-in or take-out? Take-out. Ay, aeroplano ba yun? You'll have to wait 10 minutes. Stop. 10 minutes? Pagod na si ate mo. Doesn't feel kinda weird? About what? Never mind. What do you want? Menudo. And 1 serving menudo with rice, please. For takeout as well. You gets. Kumakain siya, tapos naglalaro yung bata. 200. Ang mahal. Ay, tatlo naman yun. Ah, walang tao sa cafeteria? Yun ba yung point? Wala kumukuha? Hey, would you like to sit for a moment? Yeah, sure. Something seems to be troubling you. It's quiet. I mean, parang narinig mo yung sarili mong boses eh. Oo nga eh. Perhaps because there aren't many people right now. Are you alright? Yeah, I'm good. So you know, what did you find out? I've been reading books and papers and I propose it has something to do with my mind. Empty your mind. Empty my mind? Wait a minute. Did you say that could be case? I did. And you said it was super unlikely? It is, but look. There's more. There are billions of the people on the planet. And who could have foreseen possible catastrophes taking place in one day? Anything else would simply be illogical. And I don't want to be. I don't want to be what? I don't want to lead us down the wrong path. So why are we experiencing the same thing? If it really was that rare, why does it seem concentrated here? Oh, look at this. Ang bago kong Yu-Gi-Oh card. Ganyan nga, di ba? Pag di mo alam, titingin ka sa Reddit. Is it number that have really strong, long-lasting deja vu? But they've been more intense than 20 seconds. Deja vu. Ayun, false memories. However, I was teleconvinced that bumps into each other. Like, ito nga, malaking, ano yan eh, pag stress ka sa environment mo. Pwede, makakatulong yan. Lalo na siya, wala siyang pamilya. Hindi ko alam kung yung family matters ito ni Luis eh. Na-upvote nga. It's not concentrated here, Mark. It's out there.